Do you want to earn money using Google News? If you're interested, stick with me to the end and I'm going to explain everything to you.
Welcome to the Wealth Legacy Movement, the space where we help you build your wealth legacy through entrepreneurship, side hustles, high paying jobs, and real estate ownership.
I'm Sophia, mindset and business coach and real estate agent for the state of Georgia. Let's dive right into it. Once you go in your search bar and you put in Google News, then the official Google News website is going to pop up at the top. You're going to click on it. As you can see, this is popping up for Canada for me because I'm in Canada, so it's picking up my IP address, but totally ignore that. What you're going to be doing is looking for a niche that you are familiar with. So let's say you are familiar with the health niche, so let's click on health niche, right? First of all, you're going to look at a sub niche. So you're on health. Look at one of these that you are familiar with, right? Personally, I have a master's in psychology, so mental health would be something that I am interested in. But for you, it would be whatever it is for you, and you don't have to look at the health niche either. You could go on technology, entertainment, sports, whatever it is, business, go on any one of them, right? So I'm going to be clicking on mental health, right? And then I'm going to be scrolling through to see which article best aligns with what I am doing, right? And this is what you should be thinking about. Which article best aligns with what I'm doing, because you're going to be coming up with an article for yourself. But first you have to find the article on Google News first, okay? So once you've found the article, click on it. Then you're going to copy the article. So here I've copied the article. We're going to go to Spinbot and we're going to drop the article here. Then we're going to drop the article here. We're going to click basic spin. Right? Once you do that, then you can copy your article from here. What you've done on Spinbot is to rewrite the article, because you want to rewrite it in a new version. You want to write it in your own words, but the truth is it's the AI that is doing it for you, right? If you want, like, say, a quote or something like that to be kept, then what you can do is to put it here, and it's going to remain as is within the article, right? Once you've done all of that, then you're going to pick it up here, copy the text, which is your new article. You've rewritten it, and so you're going to pick it up and then you're going to save it somewhere. Once you save it somewhere, then you're going to go to this website, eatingwell.com, and this is an online magazine that has thousands of subscribers, readers, and so what you're going to be doing is to submit your new article to them. What you're going to be doing is to send an email to them, and this is the email address that you're going to be sending the submission to, and you're going to write whatever it is that you want to write, but you want to make sure that your email is compelling. And what I would suggest to you is to not only attach your article, but to paste it within your email, because you have a lot of persons, they do not click on attachments. So make sure that you both attach and submit within your email. The aim of all of this is to get your article published on their platform, and it's very lucrative. They pay $1 per word. Once you've emailed your submission, then you wait a couple of days for them to respond to you, and hopefully they accept your submission. and then they're going to ask you for your banking information. They pay through PayPal or your bank, and it's $1 per word. So let's say you have this that is 5,012 words. This would be $5,012 because that's the number of words that you have. All right, so this can be very lucrative if you decide to submit more than one articles per day, and hopefully if they've accepted it, this is just a great way of earning some extra money. All right, a quick recap. I shared with you that it's so easy to get your articles published and to first get it written. And I shared with you that all you have to do is go on Google News, right? Click on the first one that pops up. Once you click on that, you look at the niche that you're familiar with, the one that aligns with what you're offering, the audience that you talk to. You click on that niche and then you check on the articles to see which one aligns with what you want to offer or what you want to be known for. Once you click on that article, you're going to copy it, and then you're going to go to spinbot.com, and then you're going to put it right in the space here like I shared with you. Once you copy, you paste the article here, then you're going to hit basic spin. Once you hit basic spin, then the article is gonna, the rewritten article is gonna pop up on the right side. And once that happens, then you're gonna go somewhere and save it where you can easily find it. Then you're gonna go on the Eating Well website, send your submission to the editor. Once you do this, then your next move, before I do that, one thing I shared with you earlier is make sure that you have a compelling email, right? A great subject line that catches attention, that's intriguing, that will allow the editor to open the email. And then you're going to introduce yourself, say what your article is about, and then I shared with you that put the article within the email as well as an attachment, because many persons do not like to click attachment. So when you do both, at least you know they'll be able to see your article, right? Once they've accepted your submission, then they're going to ask you for your PayPal or your banking information, and this is where they're going to pay you, and it's $1 per word for your article. So let's say you do an article with 1,000 words, that's $1,000. And let's say you're able to submit 10 articles for the week and they have accepted 4 or 5, right? That's $4,000 or $5,000 extra that you didn't have. So this is just a great side hustle that you can use to earn an additional income, to have that additional stream, right? So don't just consume, like I've always said. You need to take action. Take action. Implement, implement, implement. All right? If you've gotten value, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and like this video so this can go out to many more persons, because that's how the algorithm works here on YouTube. You have to engage with us, like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for YouTube to push our videos out to more people. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you soon. Blessing, friends.